Mastering the art of the about face in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or readings, to do an about face. This expression is packed with history and has a vivid imagery that can help you understand and use it effectively in your daily English communication. Let's explore together what it means, its origins, and how you can incorporate it into your language arsenal. To do an about face means to completely change one's direction, position, or opinion about something. Imagine standing still and then turning around 180 degrees. That's the literal movement behind this phrase. But when we use it in conversation or writing, it's often to describe a sudden or complete change in opinion, plan, or behavior. This phrase has its roots in the military, where an about face is a drill command that instructs soldiers to turn around completely, facing the opposite direction. It's a precise, controlled movement that requires discipline and synchronization. Over time, this military term made its way into everyday language to describe any kind of complete turnaround, especially in one's thoughts or actions. Let's put "to do an about face" into context with some examples. After reviewing the latest report, the manager did an about face on his decision to cut the budget. The politician did an about face on her previous stance on environmental policies after seeing new evidence. Initially reluctant to move, she did an about face when she found the perfect job in another city. These examples show how versatile and powerful this phrase can be in conveying a significant change. To effectively use "to do an about face" in your conversations or writing, remember, it is best suited for situations involving a significant or complete change. It can be used both in formal and informal contexts, but it carries a somewhat formal tone due to its military origins. Pairing it with a story or explanation of what caused the about face will make your communication clearer and more engaging. To do an about face is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid description of change and transformation. Whether you're discussing changes in opinion, plans, or directions, this expression can add depth and clarity to your English conversations. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and origins for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your English journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.